Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a beautiful crystal resin trinket dish, and I'm going to be using these awesome color shifting magenta flakes from Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm just taking a fan brush and brushing those flakes into my silicone mold here. This is about 4 inches in diameter, and I'll link this mold down below if you want to pick it up. These flakes are just absolutely gorgeous. I've been wanting to use these in a shiny silicone mold for a while. I made a huge resin sunflower a while back on my channel, and that mold has a matte finish, so I had been wanting to try these in a shiny finish mold for a while, and I'm just kind of brushing them, and you can see that really pretty color shifting look that they have. I just went ahead and finished it up off camera. It's super easy to do. Just brush the flakes into the mold, and I'll link these flakes down below along with my coupon code. They're so pretty. And now we're going to fill up the mold with resin. I'm going to be using black pearl mica powder and black alcohol ink. I mixed that into my resin here, and this mold takes about 4 ounces. I'm using the floral epoxy from the Epoxy Resin Store. It's great for projects like this because it's a super thin viscosity and it has hardly any bubbles. It's actually a 3-to-1 ratio epoxy. I'll link it down below along with my coupon code as well. So I'm just pouring very slowly to try to not introduce a bunch of bubbles when I'm doing my pour. Just filling this mold up all the way to the top. And if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. I show you step by step how to mix your resin. I just cut the mixing out of this video to save time. So I'm just going to spray it with some 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop the few bubbles that did show up, and that's it. I'm going to cover it up with an upside down storage container, let it dry, and we'll be ready to demold it. And here we are. This is actually 72 hours later. The floral epoxy does take longer to set up. It cures very slowly. So I let my projects sit for about 72 hours before I demold them when I use that resin. But here's how it turned out. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got such a pretty sparkle. This mold has, faceted areas. So it really has a nice sparkle to it. It's just a fun little trinket dish. You could put your rings in it, while you're doing the dishes or in the bathroom, just wherever you want to put it. And the camera wasn't really picking up how color shifting those magenta flakes are, but I promise you in person, this thing is just amazing. Those flakes are one of my new favorite products to use. Here it is in just some different lighting. I am going to be listing this one in my Etsy shop for sale. If you want to check it out, I'll link my Etsy shop down below. And I'm having a 50% off sale on some select items right now. So be sure to go check it out. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments. And as always, I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help out my channel a lot. Helps me out if you watch a few videos back to back. I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye guys.